Good morning mga kanegosyo, with me is Mr. Stuart Fantilaga. Hey sir.
Hi, Ma'am Diane. Blessed morning to you. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Alright, to start off, can you tell us more about your business journey?
Started 2018, the first and in the country na never phase po siya. So, pwede customize natin and we ship worldwide. Actually, nag-start siya during the time sa 2018, SketchUp, digital. Tapos, marami yung demand. It takes 50 years more than, washable po siya, waterproof, and glass-free. Mas maganda nito, kahit ilawan siya, mas lalong gaganda lalo. Unlike kapag yung frame kasi kapag may glass, nagre-reflect.
During that time when you were starting this business, di ba kayo nahirapan because there are so many out there in the market na kapareho po ng ginagawa ninyo? So, paano po kayo nag-cope up?
Actually, we post it in the social medias. We offered that services hanggat we nirefer dun sa mga kaibigan. Tapos, we try to collaborate with social influencers. So, doon nagkaroon ng market worldwide kasi hindi lang siya within Cagayan de Oro. Actually, it started in Cagayan de Oro ang business na to.
So since 2018 up to the present,
Yes.
Can you say na talagang successful na tayo, and what advice can you give to those people who would also like to enter this kind of business?
Tiyagaan lang talaga. Pangalawa, alagaan yung mga customers, mga previous customers, because that give you more customers. Pangatlo, at saka importante yung materials na dapat kailangan talaga gamitin. And proper promotion, a right product, a right person. And hindi naman siya mahirap siya i-market eh. Kasi ang namin doon, pinaka-team namin, we value memories. Tayo as Filipino, we collaborate na yung lahat ng mga members intact. Kahit wala na sila, kahit minsan wala, pwede natin sila i-insert. So, we value family ties on this kind of industry.
Can you share with us any lessons that you have learned that you would like to impart to our viewers?
Ang challenge sa amin yung pag-ship worldwide kasi since worldwide. But right now, hindi naman siya imposible kasi marami naman sa market na talagang ipapack up lang siya na maigit pagkatapos yung proper handling and delivery. So, right now, we conquered that kind of obstacles through sa mga partner din talaga natin sa negosyo.
So sir, bakit importante bang magnegosyo ang bawat mamamayang Pilipino?
Actually, I was abroad before. Napakahirap ang buhay sa abroad. So, grabing challenge. Pero kapag mahirap din naman maggawa ng negosyo. Pero ang masarap doon kapag naging matagumpay ka sa negosyo na overcome mo lahat ng mga challenges at maging successful, that is the most rewarding.
Kung ikaw ay may pangarap, you have to grab it and never let go. Yan po ang aral na ibinahagi sa atin ni Stuart Fantilaga. Panibagong business story at business tips na naman ang ating pag-uusapan sa susunod nating pagkikita. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!